What's going on? Nick, MHR Offroad. Today I'm going to do a quick video of installing a Molle panel on the rear window of my Cherokee. I've seen some 4Runners and other things that have them or something similar. Offroad Mania makes one. You can purchase it on their website. Very quick turnaround, purchase, got it probably within a week. Originally I wanted to mount my traction boards. They're the X-Bull knockoffs. I bought them probably back in 2018. I normally just use them for leveling. I don't really use them as traction boards, so mine have held up. Thomas used to have a pair, but we used his as traction boards and his broke. So I'm just still rocking these same ones. Currently I just ratchet strap them to my tent. Sometimes it gets annoying, so if I can find a hard place to mount them, that's my plan. So I'm gonna make a quick short video of me unboxing this and getting it installed. I purchased the map door pocket that they also sell. Jeep Cherokees don't really have anything on their door panels. It's just kind of free real estate, so I just went ahead and snagged this up while I could. So we'll get this unboxed on the Cherokee, see what it looks like. I might rock it, might just sit. We'll see how it goes. All right, as we can see here, this is the map. This is the map pocket. Looks like it just screws right into the door panel. We'll see how that holds up. So you got a few things. At the bottom, it's mounted with these ram mount suction cups, and the top will hold on to the rain rail. So those are the suction cups. This will be the actual gutter mount portion. Should just bolt straight to this. I believe these can go on either side. I'm gonna put mine on the driver's side. I guess if you want to flip it, if you didn't care about the logo, where you just drill out the rivets and flip it. But we will get this kind of bolted up and put on the Cherokee and see how that looks. So it looks like these brackets, there's 2 screws, just bolt them in. Then this block here, it's got a notch that'll actually clip onto the rain gutter, and then you'll have this bolt threaded through, and then it'll actually just sit and bolt onto the actual mount. And then those ram suction cups, they're 2 Phillips screws. You'll actually bolt them to this, and then you should be able to lock and unlock it through the grate. But I'll get these ram mount screwed on, and we'll go ahead and get it set up there and see how it looks. Hopefully it's beautiful. There's that rain. It's always gotta rain when I'm doing stuff. You know, you wait all week for it to stop raining. And one day you're like, finally, it's not raining and I have time. Let me try to knock this out real quick. Psych, rain. Alright, so it's on there pretty good. I have a decal on this window. It's the mountains I have on here. The ram mount, pretty sure doesn't like the decal, so whenever it comes time to actually using it, I'll probably have to put it on the other side, but I mean, it's pretty stout, like it feels pretty good. So this is my other dilemma, which I knew buying it, that, you know, obviously I can't put it how I want to put it like this, because then I can't open the door. So if I accept not opening the door, then it's no issue, I'm done. But I want to be able to open the door, so I'd have to mount mine kind of like this, where it hangs off the back. But I'll have to make some form of a bracket or buy a plate to come out so I can actually mount this back here in the mounting holes, because the plate ends here and the holes are here. If not, it has these spots. I think what typically people use them for is like roto packs and stuff. So I might actually get like 2 little roto packs, one for my diesel heater in the winter and one for the chainsaw fuel. And then take these and just mount them on my tire back here or something, just so I don't have to ratchet strap them to the tent anymore. Kind of like the way it looks kind of cool. Only time will tell about these suction cups. I don't know. Like I said, I don't think it likes the vinyl very well on the window, but if it sticks, it chips. All right, so now that it's on here, I mean, seems pretty stout. You got these 2 ram mount suction cups. They've got these wings on them to loosen and tighten them. This is that notched bracket that slides into the rain rail, and then this L bracket that goes underneath. 2 Allen heads and 2 10mm bolts on the bottom, and then 13mm bolt and socket that goes through. It actually just clamps onto the gutter. It's off the window pretty well, so like I said, hopefully it holds up. Like I said, only time will tell. And I purchased it from Offroad Mania. They didn't give it to me. I bought it. But it'd be cool if they sponsored me, and then I wouldn't have to buy it. I've seen people mount roto packs. In the pictures online, I actually have a 2-gallon roto pack mounted to this. I'm gonna see if I can fit 2 little ones, maybe. 2 little ones here and there. Like I said, one for diesel, one for the chainsaw. We'll see how that goes. So there you have it. That's my quick install. My explanation should be a short video of putting this Molle panel on this window. It's pretty easy. Just these blocks, the brackets, tighten them down. Suction cups, it's on there. I mean, seems pretty stout. Like I said, I've seen someone with a propane bottle on there. So, but thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Okay, bye.